nandito na naman ako sa Mac Mitchell Park in Puerto Quitlan. Tingnan nyo guys. Tingnan nyo mga lavender flowers and guess what? Look at the tulips now. You can see their buds already starting to open. Yeah. Maybe next week this will all come into full bloom. And may ibon pa dun. Yan, ang ganda diba? Sige, ikot tayo. Look at those. The time of the year for these beautiful tulips. What I need to do, lavender flowers. Wow. So beautiful. The tulips are all showing their self-confidence. They're all up, showing their beautiful buds, and soon will bloom. Time of the year. That's rain actually. Beautiful. Ito tayo. You can see the overpass there. Mitchell Park, and that's the school, the transit or the bus station. Maybe next week when they're passing, they will all bloom. Hope you won't miss it. Thank you for watching, guys.